Hey guys, we're fidget turning and we're outside, so sorry if you hear the wind. Okay, we're ready to start. Okay, I'll add first. I'll add this fake needle gummy bear. You haven't even added anything yet.
I have this wiggly ball.
Decline. Okay, I'll add something new now.
Me too.
This is a fake needle swirl.
Here, I'll go get mine out of the car, okay?
No, Maya, just come back. Sorry about that, guys. My sister is doing her first time fidgeting, so yeah.
Here.
A dog. I don't really like sand squishies, but I guess I'll accept. So put it right there.
Mine.
Okay, I'll go first again. I'll add this jumbo blue duck.
I'll do this giant green duck.
Except,
Okay.
guys, look, I got a green duck.
Look, I got a blue duck.
She got a blue duck, I got a green duck. I say that's a fair trade. I'm gonna add this cute little mushroom guy.
I'm gonna add this.
Needle ice cube. Except. Oh my gosh, guys, I got the needle ice cube. Okay,
Do these.
I'll add this really rare glitter dumpling. You can't touch it.
I'll add this little tiny girl.
This is a glitter dumpling. You're gonna have to add. This is like really rare.
I'll add this giant hot dog.
Accept. Guys, I scammed her. I got a hot dog and a wubble wubble.
Hey, there it is. That's not.
Hey, you can't do that.
Okay. I'm gonna add. I'm putting this back in there because it's a
I'm gonna add this cool, big green dumpling.
I'm gonna add this cool purple dumpling.
Except, guys, I got the jumbo purple dumpling.
I got the giant green
It's
dumpling.
jumbo sized.
Mine
Okay.
too.
Let's see. I'll add a carrot. Wait, this isn't mine. I'll add this carrot.
I'll add a carrot too.
Except, I got another.
I got a
carrot, guys.
I got a carrot too, guys.
Okay. I'll add a strawberry.
Hold on. Hold on. What's the song good?
I add a strawberry.
I'll add the rarest glitter dumpling.
Except a glitter dumpling. Okay, guys, do an unboxing. It really is a glitter dumpling. I'm just kidding, guys. It's a white dumpling. And it's fake. She scammed me. By the way, guys, we're sharing squishies, so everything she puts down are like my squishies. Like that bin right there is my squishy. I'm trying to figure out. Well, you have like 6 squishies. Okay, here I go, guys. I'm gonna add this mini stretchy banana. I really want the jumbo banana.
I'll add this banana.
That's triple the size of this, except.
I was gonna do add.
Add? Oh. I will add, since that is like really rare, I'll add these 3 neon balls. Add, a stretchy poop. I'm starting to think this tree isn't fair, but I guess this glitter ball. Except, I got the giant banana.
And then we use stitchy poo.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna add this color changing needle.
I'm gonna add.
I really want that. a split splat and 2 gorillas? Yeah. I accept. Yes!
Guys, I got a color changing ball.
Guys, I got 2 gorillas and a split splat. And yes, guys, this is a real split splat.
I have a real split splat, but it's gone.
Okay, I guess I'll add this rare butter, and it's super slow rising.
I'll add these gummies.
No way, gummies? Gummies? And they have parents, except. Oh my gosh, guys, I got this pink mama with a baby, and then I got a purple mama
With
a blue baby.
and guys, I got the butter and it smells like butter.
Yeah,
It's ripping.
It is whipped a little bit, I think.
Okay, I'll add this
Cool fidget spinner.
I'll add these.
I don't think, Maya, you know this couldn't be a fair trade because this isn't really good. So it might not be a fair trade. So you can decline if you want.
This is a balloon dog, ice cream, and a blue top.
Would you like me to add? I'll add this squishy, fluffy thing. Add. I don't know if she pressed add or accept. I think she pressed accept.
Okay, I'll add. Why is there chopstick?
Maybe I could scam her and take this Neato split splat case and put a ball in it. That's perfect. You don't know. A really rare split splat. You can't touch it.
I'll add the rarest, tiniest Neato.
The world's
That's a ball!
Oh my gosh, guys, I have to run. She's gonna get me. But I got the world's smallest Neato. Okay, I'll add, hey, give that back. I'll add these 2 Shaggies. You haven't even added anything yet.
I'll add a mama and a baby stretchy.
Accept. Oh my gosh, guys, that's like a really bad trade, but whatever. I could.
You're lying.
You don't know that. I'll add these stretchy balls. You don't know, Maya? Oh, sorry, guys.
I'm gonna take this.
Hey, Maya! Maya, I'm not playing. Guys, that's what I do when she's being annoying. Give it back. That's my split splat.
I'll add this strawberry.
Accept, accept, accept. Yeah, she doesn't know I scammed her. Hey, guys, I got the strawberry.
You little freak! I'm gonna come chase you right now.
Hey, Maya, you can't do that. Ow! Steal some stuff in it. This is a really rare glitter dumpling.
I don't have the bottom.
Pretend it does, dude. Stop. You can't touch it. What's this left?
Can we try the things that we already
Oh my gosh, a gummy bear, except. Oh, it's empty. Oh, whatever. Now we're moving into trading the stuff that we already traded for. I'll add this baby gummy bear with its mama, and yeah. Please add. Ma'am, add!
Hold on. Can't look. swirl and this split splat.
That's not right because I have the split splat. She's trying to scam me.
No, it's supposed to come with that box.
Well, there is a Nito though, a color changing and this fake swirl. I guess I accept.
Wait,
okay, guys, let's see.
Add, Layla. Add, Layla.
Oh, you want me to add?
Yeah.
Well, since you just gave me Nitos, I'll give you this iceberg. Still add, split splat. I decline this trade. Here, you take your things back. You take your things back.
Bye.
I decline that trade.
Here, I'll let you try again.
I'll add.
That's not a duck flag. I'm gonna come for you.
I'll add these two Nitos. Decline this trade.
Fine, again.
I'll add this. Wait, where's the other one? I'll add these two sibling gummy bears.
Mama and Dad.
You want the mom and dad too?
Yes.
Well, I'll add the mom and dad too. Please accept. Okay, guys, I got the.
No, I have to add something.
No, you already gave me the fake Nito swirl and the color changing.
Okay, you.
I'll add.
Hey, I'm supposed to add again.
All the stretchy things I have. So these two gorillas, this stretchy banana, this
Here, I'll get the poo.
the stretchy dog.
That's a stretchy poo.
Where's my stretchy poo? I don't know what happened to my stretchy poo that I had over here, but
Layla, it's in my file.
okay, here's all the stretchy things I have. Please add.
I'll add the strawberry
There's a giant dumpling.
and I'll add this.
Accept. Take all.
Hold on, I'm not finished. And this. Wait, can we pretend this is the glitter dumpling?
Yeah.
And the glitter dumpling.
Here, take all the stretchy things. Okay, guys, we're pretending that this is a glitter dumpling because we don't have one. Oh my gosh, I got the glitter dumpling over stuff that's not even that good.
Okay.
These two dumplings.
Here, you can have the babies to make your sure. Here, you can have the baby.
And then the
this can be the tiniest baby.
No. And then I'll add this, their baby dumplings, and then their newborn dumpling.
I'll add. Say what you want to have.
I kind of want the butter.
And say what else you want.
And I really, really want the poop. That's it. Just the poop and the butter.
Layla, I just got the poop. You can't have that when somebody just got the poop.
I really, really, really want that soft, squishy. Except you take all these dumplings with their babies. Oh my gosh, guys, I got the mushroom, the butter, and the squishy soft.
I got the green dumpling and the purple dumpling and their babies and their newborn baby.
I'm gonna add this giant green duck and this giant blue duck.
I'm gonna add. Say what you really want.
No, I'm not gonna do that. You're just gonna add.
I'm gonna add this poo and these.
Except. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Come back and we'll do one of us shopping for squishies. Okay, let's pick up.
Yeah. Put your dumpling back. Put my dumpling back.
Okay, love you, bestie.